Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel for another video about learning English. For today we are going to learn 3 phrases in English and also with its meaning and in Kurdish meaning as well. So if you want to learn, watch it to the end and try to make sentences in the comment. The first one is count on somebody, okay, which means to trust someone. Okay, if you tell someone I count on you, which means I trust you. Okay, in Kurdish, بروان بيتا ياخد سقم بيتا. So if you want to practice this, you can make a sentence by your side or write it in the comment and try to say it. Count on somebody. Count on somebody. Okay, so count on somebody means to trust someone. Let's go to the second one, which is an idiom, down in the dump. Okay, down in the dump means feeling unhappy or sad. Okay, so if you are down in the dump means you are sad. You are sad. Okay, so for example, you say she was down in the dump yesterday. Okay, I was down in the dump. Okay, or I will be down in the dump. Okay, which is future one. So practice this with sentences. If you want to learn more, for example, if you get one idiom, okay, try to use it in different sentences. Okay, so now we are going to the third one. We have a phrasal verb, take down. Okay, what does take down mean? It means to write. Okay, take down the notes. Okay, take down the notes. In Kurdish means take down means نوسين اشتاق بنوسين بس phrasal verb, okay, to take down something. For example, I took down the notes yesterday. She takes down the notes every time. Okay, so try to make sentences of this phrasal verb in the comment. So now let's see how many we learned today.